Today's video I go over 7 typical Indian spices. The first is iodized salt, and honestly needs no introduction. The next is red chili powder. It has a very mild but really distinct flavor, can be replaced by cayenne pepper. Next is garam masala. This is added at the end of the dish but makes it very flavorful. Next is coriander powder. This is a very important spice, makes a really flavorful dish. And next is turmeric. This brings out the yellow color in the dish but it is very flavorful. Next is cumin seed, often added at the start of the dish in tarka. Also accompanying cumin seeds are sometimes mustard seeds, which are also added at the start of the tarka. Subscribe to my channel for more tips.